Alright, we back with another video with the Pull-Up King. In this video we got 2013 Chevy Suburban LT 5.3. We're gonna be doing the fuel injectors. Both sides, all eight, I'm sorry. Brand new. Let's get it.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting.
Want to remove the air intake. It's a flathead or 8 mil, both sides. Take that out. All right. Now, what we want to do? Unhook. You want to unhook these harness connectors, all 4 on each side, 4 on that side. I just pressed up on this clip right here. Don't break it. And then you press in on that tab there, and it'll come on out. Got them all disconnected. So next we want to get the fuel rail. It's got some bolts. We got a bolt here, one there. I believe it's 2 on each side. Okay, so we got one right here and one right there. I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect this is it purge valve or whatever, and just so that's not connected when we pull the fuel rail up. And I might not take off the fuel disconnect, because I'm not replacing the fuel rail. I'm just gonna pull it up and take off the old injectors and put the new ones in. All right, we got all 4 of those bolts out. Take this 10 mil out, because this is all covering the fuel rail. Got some room. You could even take that off as well if you wanted to, if you was going to take off the fuel rail. All right, on your fuel rail, take this cap off. Click that off right there. All right, next you just pry up on it. I pulled up on it, both hands, and it popped out. Gotta use some force. Don't break nothing. And that's both sides. Now we're gonna work the injectors off. All right, to remove the injector, you see you got this clip here. They can be pried off. That's what holds it on. Now when you put it back on, you gotta put it back on the same way. And that's that clip. Show you how it goes in. Goes on like that. Now I'm replacing these because the customer, they said that they would need it, so I'm out here doing it. But normally you need to replace these when your fuel injectors are clogged, rough idles. He said something about cylinder 7, so, but I believe it might be something with the pistons, so it might be internal, but I did not diagnose it. I'm just replacing the parts. Got them all out. These all are the old ones, and these are all the new ones. Alright, we're going back in. So we want to, these right here, this end goes in the rail, and you want to push that up in there. It's going to be a tight squeeze, so you want to wiggle and push it up in there. And we in there. It's all 8. Passenger side, driver side. You gotta make sure you press down firmly on these injectors when they go in with those gaskets, because it's pretty tight. It can be a little difficult, but it will work. And prime it, and then you can start it on up and we're done. That's gonna be it, man. Till next time, the Pull Up King.